Okay, this is basically the entry to the bridge. Popping smoke on the bridge, guys. Shield guy, get ready to run. Wait till that blooms and get ready to run. We're at the top of the hill. We should be able to move up this hill, guys. Front line, keep moving if you can. Is it worth another smoke? You got good smoke?
Yeah.
Do you want to give one out, or is it too much trees?
As long as you're willing to push.
We're keeping them at bay, man. They're at the top of the hill.
Right side, right? Any left?
What?
Any left?
Sorry?
Is there any left?
What do you mean? Any people? I have no idea. I have no idea. I can see just right. They're at the top, though. We got to get further up before you throw it, I think. Do you have a convenient pocket? Put it in a convenient pocket just to have it ready. We got the whole team at the bridge. We're moving across at the bridge. We're stuck there, though.
Okay, let's start moving. Fucking get up there.
The shield guy's badass, man. He can get good ground for us to get a line in. Hey, shield guy, get a position for him to stand behind you. Okay, we're moving on smoke, guys. We're moving on smoke. Good throw, good throw. Medic, stay behind a bit. I'm purple, I'm purple. No. No, I was just reloading behind smoke. First contact by tires here, guys. We're pushing up. Contact at the tires. Just behind it. They're watching this cover pretty good. Oh shit. Medic, medic. Oh, hit, hit, hit.
Oh, you hit my hand? Yeah, I hit you again. I hit my hand. Well, that sucks. I'm sorry, buddy. Oh. That's fucking unfortunate.
Medic. Just tied to my leg. Doesn't have to be the arm, does it?
I'm trying to get your leg. Get back in there.
Yeah, thanks, bud.
Morphine.
Cocaine. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out of here though. You're all hit here? Fucking Jesus Christ. Oh shit.
He's dead too.
Is it? Okay, left? Yeah, I see. What's that? Yeah, stay low, stay low. If you guys need medic, we got medics. Call for it.
What the fuck?
He's way up there, man.
Randy?
I got him, I got him!
He's the guy by the shield. Oh, both of them are hit. Fuck, eh?
I don't know if we can get you guys. Fuck it. Watch my gun. Oh, fuck. Ah!
Oh, the other leg. Here we go.
Hey,
A lot of our
guy
guys
in
here
OD.
are still just past the bridge.
You gotta use your body, cover the medic. Come up a bit more, cover this medic. Right there, right there.
There's guys down. You got shot from?
A bird of beef.
Yeah, just floating.
For a fucking steak right now.
Is there, I think they're sitting in those buildings, just lobbing them. Guy in the black, watch your right. Yeah, there's lots more cover on this left side, but I don't know where they are over here.
Oh,
Shit. Guy over here, by me. Randy, by Ducky, by Ducky. Right on me, Randy's got him, Randy's got him. I want to move up to this wall on the left side here. Yo! Yo!
You guys can right? Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the middle of Scorched now. Middle of the hill, boys. Let's get going.
Man, this guy's fucking the shield savior.
Through red smoke, guys. There's red smoke out. Hill 69. Or not Hill 69, but on the hill. Ah, that definitely hit you.
I'm coming in.
Man, those smokes suck. They're so weak. Yeah, I can't see though. Got him. Got one. They're all moving left to right, guys. They're consolidating on the right. They're consolidating on the right. Guys, 2 down top of the hill. Let's get moving.
Shield boys. Okay. I'd have signed up sooner.
Fuck, you got hit. Okay, stay. We got a medic coming. We got a solid copy. He's gonna wait. Watch our right though. Our right flank's getting shot. Jesus, where was that one? Yeah, there's a lot of guys on the right still in the trees and on the right flank. Oh, careful, Randy, Jesus. Fucking Jesus, really? Shit.
Oh, there's a ghillie. We're 9 here.
Yeah, they're starting to spawn behind us. Is he high or low? Oh, I see him. Fucking right there.
Right there, he's right there. Power, right side.
Here, give me that grenade.
Here. Take this.
Really?
Yeah. Take it.
You don't want to throw it?
Good.
Grenade out! Not a dud, really?
Oh, God.
Oh, no. Sorry, Randy.
That's okay. He's there. Grenade!
Oh, he's out. Here, take it back. Okay. Fuck, that's shitty. That was a dud. Oh, okay. Did you mean it? Hit me? I think he shot me in the back, man. That's okay. I'll go back.
Top of the hill! Right side! Oh, hit! Thank you for your service, brother.
I will see you guys in a bit.
Oh, medic is dead.
Hit!
Guys, pop in the smoke. Fuck, Matt's up there. Sir?
Is there someone inside here? In the building? Okay.
Fuck yeah.
There we go.
Good job. Definitely don't have any limbs left. We need Tim up here. Yeah, let's start fucking pushing these buildings. this side here! Right here. Oh my shit, fuck. Stay firm in the building on the right by your smoke. Dave, watch me.